Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be converting IPv4 addresses to binary. So first off, we'll make a binary chart. That way we can do the conversions. So we'll start off with 1, and each number is going to be a double. So first we're going to start off with 1, and it's going to go to 2, then it's going to go to 4, so on and so forth, until we get to 128. And then 128. Okay. So now we're going to separate these all. And then there we go. So now to convert the address, first of all, we got to realize that binary is ones and zeros. So if I put a 1 down, it's going to take place of the number. And if I put a 0 down, it's going to mean that that number value is not there. So if I give an example of, let's see. Okay, we'll do, so 192.168.10. Oh, my bad. There we go. Alright. Alright, let's erase that. There we go. Okay. 168. .10.131. Now obviously on my screen it shows that it's already completed. However, I'll show you how we got there, and then I'll do another one that is not complete. So first off, we can start with the easiest number, 10. So to make 10, you would want to get 8 and 2, because 8 and 2 makes 10 when you add it up. And all the rest of the values will be 0, so therefore 10 would be 4 zeros in the front, since those are the number of values of 128, 64, 32, and 16. And then the next 4 will be 1, 0, 1, 0, which would make up the value of 10. Right there. Oh, and I clicked again. That's fun. But yeah, so it'll make up the value of 10. And then to make up the rest of these numbers, let's see, 168, that one will be easy. So you start with the biggest value, which is 128, and then 128 plus 64 is too big, so we can't use 64. 128 plus 32, that makes 160, and then 0 because it's too big, and then 168. So that would be that, and then this would be a 0, and that would be a 0. So then that right there would make 168, which is how over here we have 168, and then we have the 10 right here. So now that that's kind of already done, I'll do one that has not already been done. So let's see. I'll do do 172.16.145.29. So 172.16.149 or 5, my bad, .29. There we go. 29. Okay. So for 16, obviously that would just be the one right there. So that one would be, alright, that one would be 0, 0, 0, 1, and then 0, 0, 0, 0, which would make 16. So that one is done. Now we'll move on to 29, which is the second one that's going to be easier to do. And 32 is obviously too big, so we'll go with 16. So it's going to be 1. 8 plus 16 would be 24. And then 28, 29. So then that would be, put a dot right there, kind of drag this over. Oh, and I ran out of space. Okay, so let's see. Here, make some more space right now. Okay, so so 16 be 0. Oh, and I dragged it again. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, and then we'll make space for that, and then 29, which would be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and drag that over, and 1. So now that we got 16 and 29 out of the way, now we'll do the more complicated numbers, which is 172 and 145. Okay, so now 128 obviously can go into 172, so we'll mark that right now. Okay, so 128, oh, and I dragged it again. There we go. Okay. Okay. Okay, so 128. 128 plus 64 would be too big, so that's going to be a 0. 128 plus 32 would be 160. So we'll go with that. And 168, and then 168 plus 4 is going to be 172. So that's going to be our number value for that one. So it's going to be 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So now for the final one, which is going to be 145, that one we'll figure out right now. Okay. So now 145. Obviously, 128 can go into 145. So we're going to take that. That is going to be too big, so we're not going to use that. Now, as I said before, this plus 128 would equal 160, so that wouldn't work either. So 128 plus 16 would be 138 plus 6. That would be 144. So we can actually use that. And then all the rest of these, would be zeros. And since it's 144, add 1, 145, and there you go. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now, just to clarify, we're going to go over here and I'll type it in. That way we can see it all typed out. Do it in red. And, okay, so it's going to be 1, 0, 0, 1. and then 0001. And then next it's going to be 0001 0000. And then after that it would be 1001 and then 0001, and then the final one 0001 1101. And that is how you convert IPv4 address to binary.